Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to create interior in 3DSMAX. There are some reference image in my deck. We open 3DSMAX software and start modeling. We start from the dimension preference image. There are some main dimension of this room. We start from wall, ceiling, floor plan, and then we modeling some item. This is some image reference image of item. My client want a curve wall and have light. Okay, I open the 3ds Max with screen. You can go to File, View Image File. I go to Desktop and View Dimension Image. My preference image always on top window. We also create a plane and we also drag image into 3ds Max windows like this. In my system, I always set the unit setup like this. System unit setup, I want make it to meter. I set it to meter, and display unit scale, I set it centimeter. Okay, next I create a shape. You go to the shape and create a rectangle. It is 14.8 meter. 1480 and 5 meter, 500 centimeter. Okay, that is exactly scale in 3ds Max. I move it to grid 0, 0, 0. I use scale tool. Short key is S. Scale. I'm go to the top and move it to there. Scale it to right dimension. Rotation a little bit. Like it. You can set the segment to 1 and 1 for of the segment, and you can right click, convert to edit poly. Use mode 1 vertex. You can select the vertex and move it like this for modify the plan. Okay, next we create some shape of column. You create a shape rectangle. Press S for snap like this. The column is 0.5 meter, 50 centimeter. Right click for close the command. You snap to the corner like this. Press Shift and drag for clone. Make it instant. Snap to the corner like this. Next we make it clone by Ctrl V, clone here, clone same location, column, okay, clone Ctrl V, don't make it instant, make it copy, clone same location, and this dimension is 0.3 meter. This is 30. And snap like this. You snap like this and move it on y-axis 1.5 meter. It means 150 centimeter. Okay. Ctrl V, copy clone, same location. Set the length is 80. Snap like this and move it on y-axis 370 centimeter. Ctrl V, copy 43, snap, move it 407, and the last is no dimension. I think it have the length is 30. Ctrl V, copy clone, same location, set the length is 30. Snap like this. Okay. F3 for see-through, like this column shape. Select some column shape and Ctrl V, copy instant. Okay. Move it and snap on X axis. Snap like this and move it and move negative 87 centimeter along X axis. Okay, we have a dimension exactly from plane. Next, we create some layer. You can Ctrl R for select all, create new layer, and set the name is floor plan. Okay, next we create some column